As you can see, I already have 2 emails here and I want to add a new one. And we'll be using OAuth2 for this. The first thing which you need to do is go on Google Cloud. Once you are here, go on the console. This will ask you to agree on terms and conditions. Do that. Let's dismiss this. First thing you want to do is create a project. So go to new project and let's create n8n local here. No organization is fine. This will take about 10 to 15 seconds. It is created. Select the project, go on that project, and then go on Gmail APIs. If you're seeing this for the first time, you will be seeing an enable option. Just enable it. If you want to add another service like calendars, just go on calendars and enable it too. Now you need to go click on these 3 dots, then API services, then credentials. Just click on create credentials, OAuth client ID. It will ask you to create consent screen. Click on this, get started. You need to fill in your app name. I'll say local n8n. Select your email, next. Select external, then next. Write your email here, then next. Finish, then next. Finish. And that's all. Now you need to create OAuth client. Select web application, give it a name. Now go on n8n, copy this, click on this add URI, write this, create. This will give you client ID and secret. Just copy client ID, put it here, copy client secret, put it here, and then done. There is one more thing which you need to do. Go on audience and here just add user, type your email and save. Hit save. Cool. Now go here and click on save. Now you need to sign in on your Google. Select the app, select the Gmail account. You will see this if you're connecting with local. Don't worry about it. Just click on continue. Select all. You can send, receive, and do everything in your email, and then continue. And the connection is successful. You will see a green signal here. And that's all you want to do.